Hi mga sis! Good morning! Welcome back sa ating bagong video.
Okay, ayun na, dali, ano para, rolling pa.
Okay, sige.
Okay, take 2.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action!
Hello mga sis! Welcome sa ating channel. Welcome to... Isang sis!
Wala po.
Ramdam ko.
Hi mga sis! Welcome back to Spring Rabbit Vlog!
Kasi
Wala siya.
bibigyan ako sa'yo, Kevin.
Sinigil namin tingin mo siya.
Hanggang alas 5 tayo.
Wait lang, wait.
Ini talaga sis. Makeup artist.
Wag, ay, lights.
Ay,
Nag-powder ka na ba?
hindi ako nagpa-proud. Hello mga sis! Welcome back sa ating channel. For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo gumawa ng Easy Banana Cake! Yes! Favorite to ng buong Team Kapit. At for today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano siya gagawin. And please take note, first time natin gagawin to ng video. Live na live. Okay? So we'll start first with our ingredients. Siyempre, we have all-purpose flour. Nakakabulol pa lang all-purpose flour. Pwede na rin na lang. Okay, and also, we're going to use brown sugar here. The recipe calls for white sugar, but I personally prefer to use brown sugar kasi for added moisture. And also, I have here baking soda, baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Para vlogger. And salt. Sinatgas natin para malasing kayo. Also, I have a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to use 2 large eggs at room temperature and oil. Of course, I have also cinnamon powder. Pero kung hindi kayo fan ng cinnamon, you can leave it out. No problem. Okay, and of course, hindi magiging banana cake to kung walang saging. Saging dan. Saging lang ang may puso. And I recommend na paggagawa kayo ng banana cake, you should use overripe banana. Now, para sa mga sosyal, hindi alam mo overripe banana, madali lang siyang identify. Kailangan soft to touch and mas maganda yung may mga konting dark marks or dark spots. Kasi yan yung nagbibigay ng added flavor and moisture as well. So without further ado, let's start the baking. Okay, so we'll start baking our banana cake. Super easy na nito. You just have to mix wet and dry ingredients. So first, we'll start with wet ingredients. So I have here 1 cup and 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Now, if you can't find this, you can use cake flour as well. There's no harm with that. And to that, you're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using iodized salt para pampatalino. So yung mga bobo, pampatalino to. And of course, I also have here baking powder para pampaalsa. It's 1 teaspoon. And baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon. Okay? Maybe you're wondering guys, I'm using a strainer because most of the time, baking soda and baking powder tends to have lumps. So, and we don't want that. Kasi medyo bitter ang taste pag may lumps. Okay? May buo-buo. Ayaw natin ng buo-buo. Gusto natin pino. So, okay? Then, we'll add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon teaspoon Okay, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm using ground cinnamon for extra flavor and color to our banana cake. But again, if you're not a fan of cinnamon, okay lang kahit wala to. Pero wag kang KJ, gumamit. Madali na itong hanapin sa groceries. Kahit sa bangketa meron yun. Okay?
So, kailan matagal ka na bang nag-bake?
Matagal na. I started baking siguro mga 5 years ago. Yan. 5 years ago. So, whisk lang natin yung dry ingredients. So again, combination to ng flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and of course, the cinnamon. Just make sure to whisk it and combine it evenly. Okay? Then we're done. Set it aside. Now, on to the wet ingredients. First, we need to peel off our banana. Kasi dahil, laman lang ang kailangan dito. Bet mo ba yung mga banana, kailangan gusto natin yung maraming chismis. Chismis na maitim. Yan.
Mahilig ka pala sa maitim na saging.
Ha? Hindi ko alam. Very wrong. Okay.
Bakit?
So, peel off lang natin yung banana.
Hindi ako yung sasama.
Yan. Gusto natin yung mga ganitong part, yung mayroong parang lamog na part yan. Yan yung masarap kasi may moisture yan, tapos may sweetness din. Cut it in half, malinis yung kamay ko, so put it in here. Now for a dozen of cupcake, we need like 3 to 4 medium-sized banana.
Anong klase ng banana ang usually ginagamit?
For as long as banana, okay na, wala tayong requirement doon. Pero, I recommend, kung may makita kayong, ano magtawag dun sa green na banana, yung mahaba?
Green banana.
Green banana.
Green banana! Wala naman, galing mo dun. May green banana.
Lakatan.
No, hindi pwedeng white meat na banana. It should be yung white yung loob.
Yung
na banana.
mapakla.
Yes, yes. And dapat overripe. Pwede kayong gumamit ng saba, pero make sure na i-mash nyo siyang mabuti kasi marami siyang fiber. And alam nyo guys, konting trivia lang ha, itong banana, rich in ano to, pampa-herbo. Hindi nyo alam. So, potassium, meron din siyang calcium,
Aphrodisiac pa rin.
aphrodisiac na siya. Ginagamit kasi ito ng mga kanununuan natin. So, instead na gumamit sila ng mga scorpion, seahorse, na mahirap hanapin sa dagat, saging yung hinahanap nila.
Hindi mo lalahatin yung saging.
No, hindi natin siya lalahatin kasi ang mangyayari niyan, saging na kakainin natin, hindi na cup. Yan. Kailangan kasi in baking, you should be precise. Kailangan sakto lang, walang labis, walang kulang. Parang pagmamahal. Hindi pwedeng sobra, hindi pwedeng kulang. Dapat sakto lang. Kaya ano pang inantay mo, uminom na ng Coca-Cola. Okay, so we're done mashing up our bananas. It should be like this. See? Okay. Then to that, we're going to add in 2 large eggs.
Paano pag hindi large yung egg?
Kailangan large.
So, paano nga kung hindi large?
Pag wala kayo nakitang large egg, ibalik ko dun sa inahin, wala sa linlin. Okay? We're using, if you'll notice, hindi ko clean up yung egg directly dun sa bowl kasi we don't want that. We just want to make sure na fresh yung ingredients na ginagamit natin. Kasi pag bugok ang itlog, mabaho. Kadiri, ayaw natin yun. So dapat fresh, mabango. Maitim na nga yung saging mo, bugok pa yung itlog. Ano na lang yan dyan? Ganon. Ayan. Okay, so we're down to our second egg. Fresh naman to, kaya I just want to make sure para hindi bugok. Pero kung team kapit lang kain ito, yun nabubok sa mga patay.
Sino pinakapatay gutom sa Team Kapit?
Ayoko nilang magsalita, pero alam ko meron siyang diabetes ngayon, stage 4.
Nasa siya ngayon?
Yeah. Okay, so we added 2 large eggs. Now, diba I mentioned earlier, we're using overripe bananas para mag-add ng moisture and flavor also with sweetness. Now we're going to add oil. Any oil will do, canola, vegetable oil, even light, virgin coconut oil, you can use it.
Cooking oil.
Cooking oil, okay lang din. Baby oil, okay, basta pakain mo sa baby. Go. And for flavoring, instead of using banana essence, we're going to use vanilla. Kasi umay na pag puro saging. Diba? Kailangan, may iba naman.
Para sa pag-ibig.
Parang pag-ibig, nakaka-umoy pag siya lang siya. Kung hindi natin pinopromote yung mga kabit-kabit ayaw natin yan. Okay, and we're going to add also, do sa dry ingredients natin, we're going to add in brown sugar, 3/4 cup. 3/4 cup. 1, 2, and 3. And dapat sakto, walang labis, walang kulang. Ewan ko na lang pagka nagkamali ka pa. Okay?
Sis, bakit puro hugot niya? May pinagdadaanan ka.
Wala naman. Pero parang nakikinig siya ngayon.
Sino ba yan?
May mensahe
sis?
ka ba sa kanya?
Kung nasan ka man, mag-enjoy ka dyan. Masaya lang.
Sis, sino ba yan?
Wala.
Sis, may binigyan mo ng bag?
Yung naiwanan niya ng bag. Oh, hindi naman ako design.
Okay, so we're done mixing our wet and dry ingredients. Now, our oven is now preheating at 180 degrees Celsius. I know, Fahrenheit pala. And we're going to line our muffin pan,
Sis, yung pag sa Celsius, ilan yon?
235. Hindi ka nag-aral, tama ka.
Paano malalaman na yun na yung sukat na kailangan para kunyari specific dyan sa ginagawa mo?
Iba-iba kasi yung oven ng mga tao. Merong conventional, merong commercial oven. Now, if you're using conventional oven na ginagamit ko, I recommend to use temperature, yung thermometer, to check if you are at the right temperature. Kasi again, it's baking. The temperature of the oven affects the texture of your muffin.
Para sa pag-ibig, di ba, kailangan ma-maintain ng init?
Yes, kailangan. Parang pag-ibig. Tama ka dyan. Pero wala na akong maramdaman ng init. Matapos ng umuwi. Okay, so we're just going to mix now our wet. So we're going to mix now our wet ingredients to the dry. Madalas silang sinasabi, the way to a man's heart is through his
Nonsense.
no through his banana. Kailangan bago tayo ng banana peel. Now, actually, with
Ay,
baking,
gumagalaw wag isa yung pan.
yes, magnet yan sa natin. Gin green.
Gin green.
Yes. Now, in banana cake, since we're using real fruit, the really secret here is, aside from love, baking it with love, you really need to mix it gently, okay? Do not overmix, because in the event na mag-overmix kayo, there's a tendency na titigas. Parang pag-ibig lang ulit. Huwag mong sasobrahan, kasi titigas.
Mali. Mali.
Kasi wala naman ako pinagdadaan, kaya hindi nang pakarelate talaga. So, pag hinahalo mo na yung wet and dry ingredients, aside dun sa love na secret natin sa recipe na to, kailangan dahan-dahan yung paghalo. Parang pag-ibig, mas masarap pag dahan-dahan. Kasi pag binibigla, masakit, di ba? Pero ayaw natin yan. Okay.
Sis, may jowa ka ba, sis?
Ay, wala po.
Bakit?
Kasi masaya po ako.
Masaya ba being single?
Masaya kasi may passion ka, may trabaho ka, may mga kaibigan kang katulad ninyo, at may pamilya ka. So, really, I cannot wish anything more.
Speaking of passion mo lang ba yan? O may business ka na related dyan sa passion na yun?
Yes! Since 5 years na ako nagbe-bake, may mga friends na ako na nauuto. So, umu-order na sila ng cupcakes sa akin, gumagawa na rin ako ng mga cakes for weddings, pero hindi ngayon ka full-time kasi busy sa work. Pero pag nag-resign na ako at mga short ang overdue na ang insurance, baka naman, 250 lang naman. Ano ba naman? And, nag-scoop na tayo ng mixture to our banana muffin pan.
Wala bang specific,
Wala. Because I'm using an exact measurement. Again, laging exact. It's equivalent to 3 ounces. Naku, parang susobra yata sa 12 to. So marami ita-take out si Charis. Charis talaga.
dahil sa may baby sa charity.
Ilibigay namin sa charity. Charity ni Lou. Ano man charity mo?
Call school.
BBBTs.
PBBT.
PBBT sa call school.
Philippines at samahan ng construction worker ng Rosario. Kayo, ano bang favorite ninyong cupcake? Banana rin ba? Kung meron kayong favorite at gusto nyo i-try natin, comment down below ha. Baka masubukan natin i-bake yan sa next video ng Team Campbell. For first timer, you can start with baking. Ito, yung banana cake. Kasi lahat ng ingredients na to available lang sa countertop, sa market. And if you notice, wala tayong ginamit ng mga heavy equipment. So, walang mixer. Talagang kamay lang. Pero kung tamad ka, hindi para sa yung baking. Now, this one will take about 20 to 25 minutes. So we're all done, we're all set. We're just going to pop it in the oven, then we'll wait 20 minutes, and we're done. So after natin mapasok yung cupcake sa oven, babalikan natin siya after 15 minutes to check. And you need to use wooden toothpick to check. Insert nyo sa cupcake, then check. It should come out clean. Now kung may mga crumbs pa ng muffins, it means that your cupcake is still hilaw pa. Hindi ko alam yung English nung hilaw lang.